going to Merlion. It is 13-minute walk. Hindi siya pwedeng i-train. Talagang lakad siya. Kaya walkathon ulit. Pero okay lang. Masarap naman yung pagkain. So, lakad lang. Laban lang.
We had a good breakfast today. And pag-shopping ng konti sa HLN.
HLA.
Masarap talaga pag ano, no? Pag may mall ka sa harap ng hotel nyo. Malapit sa'yo. Anything that you need, you can get it.
Yeah.
Knowing us. Lagi kami may nalilimutan. Imagine mo, it is 11:30. It's a bit hot, no?
Yeah, hotter than yesterday.
The usual. Pero it's not, it doesn't bother me yet. Kasi nagsisimula pa lang kami ng day.
Tama naman, diba? Yeah.
Yeah, so dito, nakaliwa na tayo dito. It's an 11-minute walk going to Merlion. We're using Google Maps here. Ang ganda sa hotel namin, yung proximity ng hotel. It's very close to the train station. It's very close to Marina. Maganda yung lugar. Only downside, it's pricey. Right in front of us is the Esplanade.
Theaters on the bay.
And then right there is the Marina Bay Sands. Walking. Burning those fats. Ang payat na nila eh. Tingin ko pumapayat siya.
Pumapayat ako dito sa Singapore.
Yes, tingin ko lang May maraming ibon, no? Singing.
Chirping. Lapit na tayo. 8 minutes away. Pwede na tayo dito straight.
This is the Esplanade Park. Behind it is the gallery, National Gallery Singapore.
There's a lot of trees, so it's not stressful to walk around. Kahit mainit. Six minutes away! Yay!
It's a beautiful walk. It's not that hot, it's breezy. This one is the Singapore River, as you can see here. Boom! Singapore is a beautiful country. All trees and flowers. It's clean, good food. They're very strict with their rules and laws. So you really have to follow it. So crime rate is low. Actually under the bridge right now. Even under the bridge, it looks like an art. See how it is.
Sabi nila, kulang ang punta mo dito pag hindi mo napuntahan yung umiihing leon.
Umiihi, sumusuka.
Umiihi, ano pala, sumusuka ng ihi.
So we are walking in the bridge.
Is this the Helix Bridge? Hindi, diba?
No, it's not. That's the Helix Bridge right there. See that?
Oh.
See, that's our hotel right there. So see how convenient all of these are?
I'm thirsty for your love. I'm thirsty for... Ang init! Ang init! Ang init! Ang init!
So this is the Merlion.
Saan galing tubig eh? Diyan din? Tapos iniikot mo?
During lunchtime, there's a lot of people here. And they're
Pumunta tayo. Hindi tayo.
so across Merlion, there are places to eat. There's Moe's Burger, hot dogs, coffee, gelato. This is how big this is. So this is their river. All of those people are taking photos there. This is the Merlion Park. This is where you can get the river cruise by water. So our next stop, we're gonna have lunch. Where are we gonna go?
We're going to Hong Lim Food Center. It's 1 kilometer away from here. Dahil kinakarir natin ang paglakad, maglalakad tayo.
We're here at
Hong Lim Market.
and we're gonna go eat at
Henki.
Henki, which
So,
is right there.
Yeah. So, may Michelin star siya. Ayun, no? Siyempre, kakainin natin yung best seller nila. They are listed sa Michelin Guide. Itong Henki na to, it's founded 1970s pa. So, nirerun na siya, second generation na. So, ang kakainin natin ay yung chicken curry nila. Let's try if it's good. Since Michelin star siya, feeling ko naman masarap siya. And then, we'll check out some other stalls after this. Okay?
So alam niyo nakakain namin, chicken curry. Dito sa Henglim, there's a lot of restaurants here or food places. So dito maraming Michelin star places. One of the best things about Singapore is not just the people, not just the place, it's free. Food is freaking great, freaking good.
While waiting for this, for the juice, strawberry kiwi juice and avocado mango juice. So good. So, para since ang layo ng nilakad natin, para makatry tayo ng 2 restaurants, Michelin stars, at the Hong Lim Market and Food Center. So, let's try it. So, ang bait ng may-ari na to, hindi kami nagkakaintindihan, pero pinatranslate niya. Meron kasing plain, etong bihon to eh. Tapos yung thick noodles, pwede silang hiwalay, pwedeng mix. So, sabi niya, mix na lang. Like that? No? Lahat masarap.
So good.
Yeah.
It's a bit spicy. Ano siya, may kick eh. Ang spice niya sobrang sakto.
Sarap.
Ang good niya. Parang Hainanese to, no?
Parang may nakahiwalay siya na Hainanese chicken. Yung toppings niya. Tapos may curry. Parang may curry eh, na meat na nakahiwalay pa. Ito, yung mga to, parang nakababad na siya. Worth it ba yung pila? Ha?
Worth it.
Kasi, pag pupunta ka dito, lagi may pila. Kahit fast lunch hours. Meron pa siyang, ay ba ito? Potato?
Ano ibang
Actually, Parang yung flavor niya, appetizing to eat more. Tapos iba-iba yung texture ng food. Ano ba to? Parang tofu, may potato, may chicken. Tapos may thin noodles, may thick noodles.
Yan nga eh. Ito may yun, di ba?
Ang galing ng noodles nila dito, no? Kahit nababad na, hindi siya lumalamsak. I don't know if it's the kind of noodles you use for cooking or kung paano siya niluto. Hindi ko alam. Fish cake, sorry. Fish cake to. Ito kasi, well, to be honest, 400 plus is not, ano.
Pero this is sulit. Chicken yung nakain. Ang dami.
I mean, sa atin, 400 plus is, ano, hindi pang masyang peso. Pero, eto, sulit din naman to. Meron small bowl nito, pero nag-order ako ng big bowl para sa akin. So, another Michelin star, pork short ribs. Bumili lang ako ng yung pinaka-small lang kasi feeling ko mabubusog na ako. Ano to? Parang patatim.
Parang.
Parang patatim.
Isang patatim.
Man mo lang.
Kamusta naman yung pork ribs niya?
Masarap siya, pero hindi siya yung, hindi ko napipilahan. Nakailang steps na ba tayo? Mararamdaman ko kasi yun eh.
7,222.
Kaya pala hindi pa masakit. Pag nakalagpas na ng 10,000, parang masakit na yung binti ko.
It's good to eat and walk. Eat and walk. Eat and walk.
Pagod na. We're gonna turn right.
Bike na lang tayo.
Takot ako eh. Mamaya. Pero wait lang. Ganun, tapos nasagasaan na ako. Wala na. Wala na.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Earth na.
So this is the Kavinaugh Bridge. We're gonna pass. Yan, may bibili na naman. Kakain na naman ko. Sure ako dyan. Ano bibili mo?
Ice cream.
Ice cream?
Ito yung, dirty ice cream Singaporean style.
Ice cream sandwich.
Oo nga eh. Anong gusto mo flavor?
I'm gonna have that chocolate.
1 mango and 1 chocolate. Oh, tignan natin. Tapos may wafer. Oh, amazing.
How is it?
Dirty ice cream ng Singapore. Sarap. Thank you so much. Upo muna tayo. Dito tayo.
Sabi ko po naman din maayos.
Didate lang muna tayo dito sa park. Mainit eh. Dito na lang. So, that's the beauty of being able to walk around. Ano yun? Yung walang kasundan na itinerary niya. Dapat ganitong oras nandito na. Yan, di ba? Kaya pag naglakad-lakad ka, makikita mo yung mga ganyan. Yung mga ganitong mga stuff. Kasi di ba usually kapag tour, dadaling ka nila yung mga touristy spots lang. Pero hindi mo madadaanan yung mga talagang dinadaan ng mga locals, yung mga typical places like this. Na-discover pa natin itong dirty ice cream ng Singapore. Ito hindi siya yung fresh mango. Uuwi na lang. Napag-dessert pa.